How to fix dev error in Call of Duty Modern Warfare. First, scan and repair game files. For battle.net, open the game, click the gear icon and select Scan and Repair. In Steam, right-click the game in your library, go to Properties, Local Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Second, ensure your GPU drivers are up to date via NVIDIA GeForce Experience, AMD, Adrenalin, or Intel's official channels. Third, disable software overlays. Deactivate overlays from Discord, GeForce Experience, Xbox Game Bar, Spotify, and other apps, as they often cause conflicts. And fourth, run as administrator. Right-click on the game executable, go to Properties, Compatibility tab, and enable Run this program as an administrator. Fifth, delete shader cache. Go to Documents, Call of Duty, Shader cache, and delete all files to force shader recompile. Sixth, reset in-game graphics. In-game, go to Settings, Graphics, click Restore Defaults, and then lower settings for texture, shadow quality, and disable VSync or G-Sync. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.